Good morning. It's 7:39 here in Orlando. So my camera just cut off. But for blush, we're using this Notes, I guess is the brand. I also received this in a BoxyCharm. I think it was last month's BoxyCharm. And the color is in Desert Rose. And it's like this nice apricot color. A little goes a long way. Whew. Doesn't look that heavy off camera. But like I said, little goes a long way. For highlighter, I'm using this Becca Opal. I love this highlighter. Highlighter was another thing I was having a hard time because there's so many of them in the stores that I couldn't figure out which one I liked more. I have some Shea Moisture lip balm and I forgot to get off. But yeah, just put it cheekbones. Wow, looks like I have bags. Nose, Cupid's bow, chin. That's where I like to put my highlighter. So we're done with the face. And we're gonna move on to the eyes. This is another BoxyCharm product that I got last month. This is the Crowned Pro palette. I took out this eyeshadow. Beautiful. Pink with gold flecks in it. It's like the perfect rose gold. And I took it out because I wanted to fit it in my little compact, like a Z palette. And I just picked my favorite eyeshadows and I destroying my palettes, and I took that one, and that's the only one that broke on my trip. I was so upset. So now I have to find an eyeshadow that looks like it to replace it. But this is the palette I'm using. There are no names to name the eyeshadow palettes, so I'm going to do my best to describe them. So for my all over shade, I'm going to be using this white shimmer shadow. And for the rest of the shadows going on my eyes, I'm just using this one brush. I believe it's from Morphe. I think the other one was from Morphe also. They don't have names on them, so I can't tell you what they are. It's just like a domed shape. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm gonna start with this lighter brown with like that yellow undertone underneath. I'm just gonna put that all over the eye. Well, the lid. And then we'll move on to this slightly darker, has more like a terracotta look to it. And I'm gonna put that in the crease. I'm gonna do this shade. Oh, there it is. It has more of like a reddish brown in it. gonna do that in the corner a bit and halfway up in the crease. So since my husband is out of town until Thursday, I'm gonna try and knock out some videos because he is always home. Always. He works from home. So my videos are usually me trying to shoot my videos in a very like low voice, so they always sound a little weird, but he's always home working and he constantly has meetings throughout the day, so I have to be very quiet. So now that he's not home, I have the house to myself. I'm going to try my best to knock out as many videos as I can, because it's been a while and I've been slacking so much on the videos. So we'll see. Let's see if I can do it. And now, with my finger, I think I'm gonna go in with this one. Like, I don't know how you would describe that. Like an orangey, there's some flakes of gold in there. Maybe it's just me. But it's a shimmer shade. Just gonna put that, pat it on the lid. Such a pretty fall color. I'm so ready for fall. Just a few more days and it's officially fall, even though Florida has not gotten the notification that we're supposed to be in fall. It should not be 105 degrees outside. But I am just, you know, happy fall, cool thoughts here. You know, I went to Joann's and everything that has plaid or like woodland animals on it, I just purchased. It's ridiculous. So I'm like making blankets, and I made a tote bag, some Mickey ears, some little hair bows, everything plaid. It's ridiculous. And then I have from Replica, I have that spray that it's like a fireplace smell. So I'm spraying that on all my plaid stuff. I just want it to be cold. I am totally a cold weather type of person. So this is a little thinner than I thought, but it's from the Alamar brush line, and it's the thin brush. It doesn't have any names, but I'm trying to put, my camera keeps turning off. It's really annoying. But we are almost done. You know what? Let me see. Yeah, we're gonna go in with this shade that I put on my eyelids. This shimmery shade. I'm trying to use that as an inner corner highlights. See if that works. So I like to mix my mascaras. So I am gonna go in with the Shock, like a little sample size from YSL, and my Burberry Cat Lashes. I love this mascara. It's so good. Like, they each have their own thing that they do perfectly and they just mix together so well. Like, my lashes look like they're fake lashes. So we're gonna start with the YSL. go in with the Burberry lashes. And just like to wiggle it in from the root to the end of the lash. And that one I'll go in on the lower lashes. You can see the difference for sure. And we're gonna go in on the other side. So today is September 18th. And if you have a Krispy Kreme around you, today they're giving out free, like one free, I think it's the pumpkin spice cake donut. It's so good. What I'm really waiting for is the pumpkin spice glazed donut. Oh, it's so good. They only sell it about three times, like 3 days during the month of September, I believe. No, October. I think that's what it is. So 3 days in October, they will make like a bunch of pumpkin spice glazed donuts at Krispy Kreme, and they are fantastic. Fantastic. Every time they make it, out of those 3 days, I'm buying a dozen of those donuts every time. And I don't eat them all at once. What I like to do is buy the dozen and then freeze them, and I will save those. My husband's not allowed to touch them. Like, he's allowed when I give him one. They're so good. And they only make them those 3 times out of the entire year. So I like to save them and just eat them throughout the year. They will last me a year. So I am really looking forward to when they start making those. This Fuel Cream Urban Decay lipstick. My camera's about to die. Okay, so if it dies, I'm using this lipstick and this Laurier Color Rich Mattes in 112 lipstick lip liner. Trying to fix these bangs, which are way overgrown. Oh yeah, and quickly set my eyebrows with some mascara. Finito. Ah, there we go. My hair looking crazy. Crazy. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I will try and figure out something with my hair because it's looking crazy. Let's put these back on. Too much. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I zoomed you way out. So these are my fall feels right now. And I'm about to head out get my pumpkin spice cake donut at Krispy Kreme and head to Epcot. And hope you guys enjoyed and have a great day, and remember to subscribe and hit that like button. Bye.